How's it going, guys? I am Code Tutorial for you, and today we're going to be working on a problem from Edabit called Return the Sum of Two Numbers. So it asks us to create a function that takes two numbers as arguments and returns their sum. So these are going to be the examples for this problem. So you see, add these two numbers, 3 plus 2 equals 5, add these two numbers, negative 3 plus negative 6 equals negative 9, and then 7 plus 3 equals 10. So here we go to the code tab. So these right here, int A and int B, are going to be the two numbers that we're going to take as arguments from this function, int addition. So what we could do easily is just return A plus B, and that is going to give us the answer. As you can see, it passed the tests it has for these problems, so it's just, here we go. But what we can also do is we can do it like this, which we're going to create our own variable int c, and we're going to get c is equal to a plus b, and then return that same c we created. And it should work the exact same. So here, there you go. I passed all the tests, and that is going to be it for this video. If you can like and subscribe for more similar problems, Edabit problems, and in the future, LeetCode problems. Thank you.